What's going on, everyone? So I decided I was going to upgrade my LED system in my computer. Before I was just running just a straight red LED strip that I have. And yeah, decided to spruce it up a little bit. So I'm going to install this lighting kit. So what you get in the package is you get some zip ties, which are nice. You get the control module here for the RGB unit. And you're gonna get, this is the IR blaster there that works with this remote here. So that's pretty cool. You get a remote. And then you get the two LED strips. Now what's cool about these LED strips are they're magnetic. So you can literally mount it anywhere in the case, and they're magnetized, so that's amazing. The other LED strip that I had, I was using double-sided tape, and it got loose after a while. I had to replace it, I think, twice. But I had the strip since like 2013, so did a good job, but I want to go RGB. So yeah, you get that, and then you also get an extension cord here. So I'm gonna put everything in. You get two LED strips, they're very bright. And yeah, I'm gonna install that into the computer. Just want to basically come on this side where all your cable management is, and I'm gonna do this all neat, put it in with some zip ties. And yeah, we're gonna do that right now, and I will be back to show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, I got the LEDs, and you always want to make sure and plug them in, you know, before you start rearranging everything. Make sure they work first. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna clean up that wire there. But basically I have one LED there, which is ultra bright, and the other one is kind of up there. So because I have a fan right there, I don't have too much clearance. I wanted to have it running basically just along like this part of the case, but the fan may restrict. So I'm going to kind of play around with it just to see. And I'm going to zip tie the module most likely up here, make it nice and neat there, and then I'm going to put the IR blaster, which is, where is it? IR blaster is right here. I'm going to put that just kind of through one of these grommets here. That way, you know, the remote will work well, because right now I got to kind of point it over there. But this is the remote, and just to kind of show you guys, let's go red. Nice purple. It's almost like a indigo blue. That's like a purple there. It's like an orange. It's like a teal blue. Yellow. So there's all sorts of colors. That's like a nice purple. So you have all the colors there. You could even do like flash. So it'll flash through all the colors. And then you have strobe, fade, and smooth. So we'll do strobe. Oh, strobe's pretty cool. I like that. And then you have fade. And then you have smooth. All in all, you can't go wrong. $20 is all this costs. So I mean, I'm happy. I might eventually do another case. I've had this one, like I said, since 2013. Eventually, maybe the next little bit, but for now, 20 bucks kind of spruces up the computer. So I'll take it. So I'm gonna put everything back together, nice and neat. I will show you the finished product, and yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so everything's done up. So I put zip tied the controller right there. All the wires are nice and neat now. So we'll go ahead and close the cover. And then I changed the placement of the LEDs. So before I had the LEDs right there. Now I have them just on, you can get in here. They're right back here in this corner, so they're kind of hidden, tucked away. Before, when you'd have the case on, you'd see them really bright right there, so they're on against that. And I had the other LEDs up at the back there. Now I've put the LEDs on that, so it should brighten up that area more. So yeah, the best thing about these magnets, best thing about these LED strips are they're magnetic, so it's amazing. You could take them off and change them around. They stick to the case perfectly. I got the wire here. I'm just gonna probably zip tie that afterwards. I kind of tucked it away there. It's not noticeable, especially when the door is on. You won't even see that. And I put the IR blaster through the top, so it came out right here. So now it's in there, so whenever I point the remote, it'll pick it up from the side of the case and from the front now. So that's good. So yeah, I'll test it out in a minute when everything's back together, all the doors are on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, moment of truth. All the doors are on, and we will turn on the computer. I like how the LEDs are hidden. You don't really see the bright lights from there. So yeah, it's lighting it up perfectly. I think the placement is excellent. Now eventually I might get LED RAM, but I mean, I've already just upgraded my computer back in February, like I said, so to get RAM just because it's got RGB, I don't know. So that's why, I mean, LED strips are perfect. You get that nice lighting effect. So let's get the remote. Here it is. So we'll test it out. So we'll point it here. Red. Yep, so the IR blaster is working perfect. Green. Nice indigo blue. Perfect. I'll just point over here, see if it works. Yep. I'll have to figure out where. Okay. So I may have to reposition the sensor, but it works over here perfectly. So yeah guys, that's it. So everything's working perfect. If you want to turn them off, there's an off button. So that's cool. You want to turn it back on, and then you even have brightness settings as well. So I love it. So yeah guys, that's like I said, you can't go wrong. $20. You get a remote control to change the color. You get an IR blaster in there. 20 bucks. They're magnetic. You could reposition them anywhere you want in the case, and they look fabulous. So definitely highly recommend it, guys. Nothing better than having your whole computer synced up. So looks really nice. Got the mouse and keyboard as well. Now it's still light outside, so I'll try and make another video when it's dark outside, but yeah, the lighting on this thing is awesome. Like I said guys, highly recommended. Everything lights up perfect. The remote control works flawless. And yeah, like I said, 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. For magnetic LED strips, perfect. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.